Hi everyone, this is Shad Abdu with the weekly analysis. As usual, we're going to start with the euro against the American dollar on the daily time frame. As you can see here, the pair has reached a new area that is located between 1.1214 to 1.1118. This is where we can look for some bullish evidence because this is considered to be a support zone. So we will be waiting for some bullish evidence to show up, then we can go long, targeting at least the level of 1.1350, then 1.1440. Let's move to the GBP USD on the daily time frame as well. As we mentioned last week, that the pair was traded above a strong support area, but actually the pair is traded now below this area, but still traded above another support level that is 1.2439. This is where we can look for some bullish evidence for unexpected movement to the upside. So what we can do now is to wait for some bullish evidence to show up, then we can go long, targeting the level of 1.2730 during this week. This will be conditioned by the continuation of trading above the level of 1.24. It is something that is very important that the pair should show up some bullish evidence above the level of 1.2439. Let's move to the gold on the 4 hours. As you can see here, actually we can find a formation that is pretty much the same like a double top pattern. As you can see, here is the confirmation line that is 138. And here is our first peak and the second, and this trough that is located between those two peaks is the confirmation line. This is what makes the confirmation line. So what we can do now is to wait for this level to be broken, 1380. In case the level is broken, then we can go short, targeting at least 1360, then 1350. So let's wait and see what's going to happen. Now the key level is going to be 1380. If we find that there is a breakout for this level, then we can go short, targeting the level of 1360, 1350. Let's move to the Australian dollar against the American dollar on the daily time frame as well. As you can see here that it's about to reach a strong support area again, this area that is located between 0.6840, 0.6778. This is where we can look for some bullish evidence for unexpected movement to the upside. So what we're going to do is to wait for some bullish evidence, to wait first of all for the pair to reach this area, then in case the pair shows up some bullish evidence, we can go long, targeting the level of 0.70. This is going to be our first target. So now let's move to the JPY on the daily time frame. As you can see here that the movements are very tight, so in this case we need a very strong signal on which we can enter the market. So in this case, our area 135.86 to 133.38. this is an area, a support area, where we can look for some bullish evidence for unexpected movement to the upside. What we can do now is to wait for some bullish evidence to show up, and then we can go long, targeting the level of 140. But in this case, I would like to mention something that is very important, that you must follow up our daily report, because we're going to update day by day what's happening in the market. So that's it. I hope this helps, and thank you for watching the video. Have a wonderful week.